Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're making a tutorial on how to do the Peace Japan rear window banner. And I already did the Enjoy window banner on my previous video. That was before the Advan livery speed paint. But now we're doing this one. I'll see if I can find a screenshot from a real one in real life. If I can't, then you won't see it. I might just cut this out, who knows. But yeah, so we're going to be doing it on my S14 Zenki. Why are my headlights like that? There. Okay. I don't know what that was. So here, we're just going to go back and delete one of my very old liveries. Some of these are not going to... Bro. Some of these aren't going to look very good because the color's not matched. Yeah, let's just delete this one. This one's not very good. Okay. So, first step. Get your livery open. If you haven't done that already, then you're stupid. Anyway, so what you want to do is go to this category right here with the font. And this one's actually super easy. So you kind of just project it. So you got the italicized look, just like how we did with the Enjoy banner. And you want to, what my strategy is for doing custom text is you get your size and your projection and whatnot. Press your left trigger and then just duplicate the amount of letters that are in the word. So Peace Japan is got P-E-A-C-E. Boom. And all you gotta do is just press left trigger without selecting it, and you can replace the sticker. It saves you so much time of trying to get it, down to scale and whatnot. And right now what you do is you go back and replace all of these. So you gotta put A here, C here, and E here again. So you might have to readjust this. Oh fuck, okay, I messed up. That's why we have this here. We can just duplicate this over, replace this, schmack an E right there. I'm gonna move this all over because I did a goof. And I'm gonna try to make this video way faster because I know I can drag my videos on pretty long because I'm trying to get that content, watch time. I'm trying to get that monetization. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to, you know what I'm gonna do actually? If you end up making yourself too big, you can scale it down and then just, go back and, replace your things. And I'm gonna time lapse this so you don't have to watch me do this. Alright, so once you've done that, you're gonna want to either copy something over, or you can just do it all however you want. I'm going to try to just copy it over. So what you do, I have that extra P there. That's for the exclamation point for the window banner. And it appears that I've done this right, that I can just, I don't have to custom make it. I might actually have to move all of this over ever so slightly. Kind of get more spacing out here. Boom. All right. So that's step one complete. Honestly, that works fine if you want to do it just like that. But what I like to take it the step further, like I showed you in the intro, you can make it look a hell of a lot better. So you want to project this, make sure it's straight. Don't make sure it's not curved like this, because it looks bad. You want to scale it down and make it thin. And make sure to turn symmetry on, and then rotate it to make sure there's nothing like poking out. Stretch it across. And then duplicate it and bring it up ever so slightly so there's a small gap, and then do the same on the bottom. Why is it doing that? It looks funky. Boom. Now, that's step 2 complete. That's maybe not step 2 complete. Hold on a second. Oh my god, this camera. I learned it's not stick drift. It's actually just like a feature that the devs implemented that I have absolutely no idea why they would do this. It's the most annoying thing ever. Anyway, my bad. So now we have the piece part, and now we got to put Japan under it. And so what you do, it's the same strategy. It literally uses one font category. Paste it on the window, scale it down as small as possible, copy it over, Japan, and then go back, replace all your stickers, Boom. Now, you can space that however you want. You could even do it in different font, but I think personally it looks best that way. And now for this next step, there's 2 ways you could do it, and both really just achieve the same effect. If you, at the top of the Peace Japan banner, there's a Japanese flag, and you could go over here to the flags category and get the Japanese flag and scale it down, but I don't know. I feel like the dot looks a little too small. I prefer doing it my own way. So, if you want to do that, you can just end the video here, but I'm going to show you how to make the custom version. If you want to get it, like, or you want to do a more rectangular look. Or if you're trying to do, you know, like a different, like, Rising Sun kind of thing, where, like, where it's got the stripes, like a Imperial Japan look. You make it more of a rectangle, and then do not use a circle. That will not work. Trust me. Head over to the period in this font category, paste it on the window, project, make sure it's like a circle, get your red color, and scale it down. And what you want to do, if you're doing it this way, turn on symmetry, and just line it up. And now we got more of a rectangular look. Scale it down a tiny bit, move it up. Yeah, there we go. So now I got more of a rectangular look, and not such a square. So, okay, you know, once you've done that, what you can do is get your, if you want, cherry blossoms. Now, it's got cherry blossoms on it. If you don't want to do it, it makes sense. It's more of an optional thing. You go into here, you grab this right here, this little flower, paint it like a light pink, like that. Paste it on the window, and just kind of, don't put too many, but just put just enough, like here, 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 and here. And boom, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Trying to get my upload schedule a lot more consistent, and yeah, you know, I know it's not very good. I go months without uploading, but I'm working on it. I got some really cool stuff lined up for in the future. But yeah, I mean, this video doesn't take long to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you in the next one. Peace.